level 1 and 2 is mind-blowing. It takes you from normal daily life into a crazy world where you suddenly find yourself taking several steps up in your growth. And for me and my girlfriend, my partner, we have done it together now, and it's like the most fantastic experience to have together, because we create a new intimacy, and we just fall in love again with each other. So it's just so nice. The retreat helped me in my spiritual growth and my personal growth in the way that the whole time are what you call it, being pushed to my border. So I have to start looking at myself, and then maybe cross the border and turn a little back to my safe space, cross the border again. And it's both the mentally spiritual part and the bodily naked sexual part. It pushes you to the border and beyond, but you move in your back to your safe zone and away to the zone where you're not safe, and it's amazing what it can do, because it starts to get so intense, and yeah, it is really like rocking you. Considering participating in these retreats here, I think I would tell people that they need to be ready for self-work. They need to be ready to look at themselves, also the shadow sides and these sides that are hidden away in the daily life. They need to be ready to see that, see these things, because they will be revealed and flashed up. So they need to be ready for that part. Otherwise it can be really hard. But when you're ready, then it's a gift and a journey with other people that are the same place, and you laugh. You just need to be ready for a ride in a roller coaster.
If you could sum up the entire retreat in one word or sentence, what would it be?
Personal growth, I would say. And there's a lot of other words I could put on: joy, spirituality, and sexuality, a way of living your life in a tantric non-religious way.
What is the most enjoyable moment of this retreat for you?
There's a lot of enjoyable moments. There's a lot of nice sexual moments, but there's a lot of laughing and a feeling of being together with people who wants to grow themselves, grow out of the normal as they normal practice. So I think that's the most that's the best part, to be with these people and be a part of it, laugh and cry, be angry, whatever, everything together.